Hello friends, I'm back with new video. So today we will see that what is the meaning of the web address. So we have the web address here. You can see that amazon.com is a web address. So in that we will see today and we will learn that what is the meaning of this triple W, what is the meaning of this name here, and what is the meaning of this .com. Each one have their own meaning, and let's start the video. So before going to proceed the other things, first we need to understand what is the meaning of this www, which is called World Wide Web. So that World Wide Web, that means which is also known as a web. Okay, so what is web? Like a spider's web is connected with each other, like all the nodes are connecting with one another. So that web is a collection of websites, different kinds of websites we have, and like thousands and lakhs of websites are there across the globe, and web pages stored in the web server. Okay, that on web server the number of websites which are stored and the number of web pages which are stored and connected to local computer through the internet, that is called World Wide Web. Because every computer which is connected with the internet, by using that we can access any of the website which is available and which is stored in some server. So these websites containing the text pages and digital images, audios, videos, etc., as we already know. So users can access the content of these websites from any part of the world over the internet using the devices such as computers, laptops, cell phones, etc. So the triple W along with the internet enables the retrieval and display of the text and the media of your device. That is what the meaning of World Wide Web. That is why each and every website or the web page have the www with their website name. So this is the first thing, and next one is, like, now it is clear that what is the meaning of this triple W. This is called web, which is used to show that every single computer who is connected with the internet is connecting with one another, and they are exchanging the information with one another. And what is the meaning of this another thing, that Amazon, that means it is a unique name of your company and the product which you are providing to the world. This is what the name you are giving, so that you are uniquely identified by your customers. Same name is not used, like each and every website have their unique name. So this is just a name of a company or a website. Then after we are writing .com, so this is a domain name, actual domain name, and we can say it is a top domain. Okay, and before that this thing is called second domain. Okay, second domain. So that COM means commercial. Along with that we have many another domains also. If we have educational website, then we are using .edu. If we are from India, then we are using .in, that means India. And if you have an organization, then you are using org. Okay, and if there is an any educational website from India, then we are using .edu, .in. Like GNU University have this domain, www.gndu.edu.in. Okay, so hope you get it, what is the meaning of this website and each of their name, and hope you guys understand that what is the meaning of the website name and the domain name and the triple W. So thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Take care.